In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to transfer a ticket from Protractor to AutoTextMe. Protractor ticket transfer is as simple as understanding a few pieces of criteria. Those criteria are the customer name, a phone number, and the year, make, and model of a service item. All we need is year, make, and model. We do not need the VIN or the license or mileage or any of that input at this stage, although that information is helpful and will transfer into AutoTextMe. Once you have the core criteria, go ahead and finish your ticket creation process. I already have a few things added here. I'm just gonna skip some of these screens and we're gonna get right to the point where we can save our ticket. Saving the ticket is required for the ticket to be recognized by AutoTextMe. As of right now, this ticket has not been saved. All you need to do is save and close. Make sure you know what status you are synchronized with for your check-in status. In my example, I'll be using vehicle on site. By saving this ticket, we have number 847 for Joe Palooka. When we go over to AutoTextMe, we'll refresh our page and Joe will be in there instantly. You'll see the ticket number 847. Details from my ticket, including the concern that I listed in Protractor, will be there. Your technician will see that on the DVI when they open this up to begin their inspection process. Make sure you get those concerns noted. Make sure you have the name, the phone number, and the year, make, and model. Once that ticket is saved, as long as your statuses are mapped, it will transfer in. Your administrator may need to toggle on one other item, and that is an integration setup. You will see that you have a status sync, and there's also an appointment sync. You can start with calendar appointments. Those will transfer into AutoTextMe just as well. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, reference our training page on the website, or you can contact support at AutoTextMe.